Join me as I dive into the colorful world of rainbow play and try to uncover the magic behind it all.
Discover the enchanting world of colorful play. Uncover the magic behind this mesmerizing phenomenon.
Rainbows have always fascinated us. They appear after a rain shower, creating a breathtaking spectacle for everyone. We'll explore the science of light refraction and the cultural significance of these breathtaking natural wonders.
But wait, have you ever stopped to think about what's really behind this colorful phenomenon?
A common misconception is that rainbows are physical objects you can touch. That's not true!
Rainbows are an optical phenomenon. They happen when sunlight passes through tiny water droplets in the air. Sunlight passes through tiny water droplets in the air. This makes the colors of the rainbow. The number of colors can vary by droplet size.
Sunlight passes through tiny water droplets in the air. Understanding this science helps us appreciate the beauty of the natural world.
Sunlight passes through tiny water droplets in the air. So, why do we always see the colors in the same order? Red.
Sunlight passes through tiny water droplets in the air. The answer is light refraction. Different wavelengths of light bend at slightly different angles. Sunlight passes through tiny water droplets in the air.
Light is fundamental. When we shine it through a prism, we see the spectrum of colors emerge.
Sunlight through water droplets makes rainbows. Prisms and lenses make rainbows stretch and move. Let's explore colors.
Sunlight passes through tiny water droplets in the air. One fascinating thing is how light interacts with matter, like a simple glass of water.
Sunlight passes through tiny water droplets in the air.
Let's try a stunning experiment. Imagine a glass of water.
Sunlight passes through tiny water droplets in the air. The light creates a stunning display of colorful patterns that seem to float in midair.
Sunlight passes through tiny water droplets in the air. As we explore this colorful play, we're learning the fundamental laws of physics. It's so magical!
Sunlight passes through tiny water droplets in the air. In summary, the magic of colorful play is all about understanding sunlight passes through tiny water droplets in the air. This creates the beautiful colors of the rainbow. We gain a deeper appreciation for the natural world. Sunlight passes through tiny water droplets in the air. What's your favorite color? Let me know in the comments. And check out my next video for more fun learning. Join me as I dive into the colorful world of rainbow play and try to uncover the magic behind it all.